Let's go to test.bitpay.com and click sign up. Scrolling down, this is sign up. Click business account, click sign up. Here need to fill up all information to create an account. Let's verify. Then click create account. Account created. Let's verify through email address. Let's go to my email. Click this one. Click confirm email. So email already verified. Let's verify other information. Business name. Let's find out address because my address will not work. So I will use American address and going to any link. Go to contact us and this address I will use. Copy this one, paste it here, and in filling out all other information here, software engineer, industry, phone number, name, birthday, verify. So already verified. Let's create a bank account. Here need to specify Bitcoin address. Let's generate Bitcoin address. So go to generate Bitcoin address, find out Bitpay address generator, this one. Click this one, bitaddress.org. This is the real Bitcoin address generator, but we want testnet to generate. Let's delete this portion and type testnet equal true and hit enter. This will be the testnet, and move over your mouse cursor to generate 100% to generate the testnet Bitcoin address. And this is the address. Let's copy this one and address name and paste the address here. Scrolling down, click save. So now click add starting Bitcoin. Click payment tools, payment buttons. Here giving a price. This is for testing. Scrolling down. This Bitcoin button we will implement. This is the Bitpay address. Invoice we will implement in our application, and this is static price, and we will work with the API version. This can be scanned from mobile device. Let's copy this Bitcoin button. This piece of code we will insert in our code. This is our website. This is the payment page. Here we will specify Bitcoin button. Go to Visual Studio. Under this Stripe payment button, we are inserting Bitcoin button. Here it is image and the close tag slash here, and it will be inside the anchor tag. So end anchor tag here, the front anchor tag, and href. This is the URL, Bitcoin controller, and the parameter course ID we will pass. Go to website, refresh this, and this is the Bitcoin payment button. Let's implement the Bitcoin controller. Go to Visual Studio, stop debugging, close this one, scrolling up, copy Bitcoin, Control C, right button, click add, click controller, click MVC controller empty, add. Paste it here, click add. Here we need to write some code to get the course by ID. So variable course, context courses, and this is the course we will get from the course ID. And this is the user ID we'll get, and this is the course price. This is dynamic. So different course, different price. Order ID is course ID. And copy this port number and paste it here, because this after payment the user will redirect to this link. So this will redirect to courses, and the action method will be enroll. Yes, this one, copy and paste it here, and slash and ID parameter need to pass. So here course.course ID, and notification URL here, this is the API, web API. The Bitpay will notify us, the system. So this need to be real domain, the production server, and this protocol must be HTTPS. And here the real payment will be applied. After this, the real payment will execute, and then user can enroll the course. So item description, the email address, and post data is user ID. Let's add a folder API. Here we will implement our API controller, and this will be the notification. Add controller, web API empty, API controller, add, and here notification, then click add. And here we are specifying the route and the extra action. This is the type. Let's import all the dependencies. Copy this one and paste it here. This need to be matched. Import this one, and done. Let's implement HTTP get notification index. This action method will be hit from Bitpay website. Let's copy this payment action implementation. This is the real payment happening, and we can register the user with the course so that user can enroll this course, and we can return okay, the 200 success status. Delete this one and import this folder. That's it. Let's download Bitpay Wallet, because we need wallet, because to pay Bitcoin. Scrolling down, click this Windows, we are using Windows, and click bitpay.exe. This software need to be installed in your mobile device or your desktop application to pay the invoice. And go to Bitpay testing website. Scrolling down, click this one. Need to find out the faucet so that we can get Bitcoin, so we can pay. Click this one, and here we need to give your address. Let's run this program. And close this one. we already have open a tab, this one. Let's refresh this page. Click OK, go to insert some breakpoint to check. Here it comes, and this is the course ID. It will first time get exception, step out, it will processing, and the first time it will generate the key. Scroll, step out. This is the address we need to paste at the initial time. Copy this address and make sure you are already signed in Bitpay website and paste it here and hit enter. And this is the approve button to click. Click this one. We are done. The API token key already generated. This is the ID. We registered already. Now refresh this page. Step out. Now we will be able to see the invoice page of Bitpay. This is the. Let's write the email. Click continue. Bitcoin click. This is the QR code. You can pay through your mobile device. You can scan or copy the payment URL. Let's download Bitpay Wallet because last time the download was failed. Download completed. Click this bitpay.exe. Let's install the wallet. Okay, next, and need to create a desktop shortcut. Check this one and click next. Click install. It will install. After install, finish, and it will open up the wizard of Bitcoin wallet. Click get started. Got it. Makes sense. Create Bitcoin wallet. We don't need password, I'm sure, because this is testing. And enter your email and continue. Click confirm and do it later. No need backup. For now, I understand. Yes, skip. And need to check all of this to make sure everything is okay. Confirm and finish. Here, personal wallet. This is the real Bitcoin wallet. We don't need this one because we need to generate. Click plus symbol. Add new personal wallet. And this should be the testnet wallet we need to generate. Give it a name. The test wallet. Click show advanced option. Because this is testnet, so need to check this one. And create new wallet. Creating wallet. No need password for now. I'm sure. And this is the wallet. This need to be removed. Let's remove this one. This is not backup. Settings. Scrolling down. Click personal wallet. And scrolling down. Click more options. Delete wallet. click this one. Okay, so this wallet deleted, and click this one. This is the testnet wallet. Currently no balance, need to get few Bitcoin. Close this one. Let's click receive and copy this public address. Through this address we will get few testnet Bitcoin. Give this address here and click I'm not a robot and verify this one. Click verify and click get Bitcoins. Okay, this 1.487 Bitcoins already sent in our wallet. Let's check it. It will take 5 to 10 seconds to get the result. Let's wait. Okay, this already receiving, not received yet. It will take time to receive, like first time 10 to 20 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So let's pay this invoice. Click this one, scrolling down, copy payment URL. Let's go to Bitpay Wallet. Let's click send. Oh, transaction not confirmed yet. That's why not seeing the send text box. Let's restart this Bitpay wallet. Click this one. Oh, it takes 2 minutes to get the Bitcoin. Actually, transaction already happened, already received. Now we can send Bitcoin. So this is the testnet. Let's see it on blockchain. Click this one and we can see the transaction and it's already confirmed. You can see confirmation. Let's back. Let's click send and here need to specify the address. Need to paste the copied URL. Let's see the URL actually. Paste it here. This is the address we will specify in this text box. Let's paste it here. It will fetching the payment information and already fetched. And this is the test bitpay.com information already. Click to pay. Click this one and confirm. So it will send the Bitcoin to this address. Payment already done, but real transaction not happened yet because it will take time to add to the block. Miner will mine, then it will add in a blockchain. It will take for testnet 48 to 72 hours because we are giving the miner very low fee. Let's see the payment status. Open in new tab. Unconfirmed transaction. So when it will confirm, that time real transaction happened and the Bitpay address website will call our API. So the user not paid yet. Let's manually pay. Let's go to Sugar.net core. We need to implement Sugar in our application so that we can better visualize the API. This Sugar, through this UI interface, user interface, we can easily manipulate with our web API. So let's install this shousebuckle.ASP.NET Core, this package. Let's install it. Tools, apps, NuGet Package Manager console and paste it here and hit enter. So it will install this package. Let's copy few code from this documentation. Copy this one. Scrolling down. Okay, copy. Need to find out startup.cs file to register this code inside the service layer, dependency service layer, configure service. Close this one. Scrolling down, the configure service here. Paste it. Let's resolve the dependency, the sugar using. Okay. Still getting error. We typed wrong. Copied wrong. Let's copy again this piece of code and select and paste it here. Scrolling down. This piece of code need to be specified. This is the configure in middleware. Scrolling down, and here anywhere you can insert inside this configure method. Okay, we are done. Let's insert a breakpoint inside this notification action method index. Let's run this application. Let's write sugar and hit enter, and it will go through all our code and get the API definition, and this is the API already implemented. Let's expand this one, click try it out. We need to manipulate, execute this API because this API will be called from Bitpay website. Copy this course ID and paste it here. And current user, we need to identify this one, taufiqlahi@yahoo.com. This is the current user. Let's go to database, expand this one, tables. Let's select few rows and find out the user. The user ID is this one. Copy this one and paste it here and click execute. It will call this API and this user already paid and transaction already completed. We are assuming that it's really happening. It will really happen after 48 and 72 hours later, and the return is 200. So user already paid. So transaction already happened and miner already mined and it already added to the blockchain. Let's refresh this page. So user can directly go to the course content page. The user is not seeing any payment button for this course because this user already paid this course. Let's check other course. Here seeing this course not paid yet. Let's secure this API because we just manually hit this API but we cannot call this API by ourselves. Only Bitpay website can. Copy this one. So we need to implement something so that only Bitpay website can access this API. Close this one. Scrolling down, not here. Scrolling up, here the service layer. Here we need to specify the add policy and need to find out the test Bitpay address. Let's find out. Yes, this one. Copy this URL portion. Go to Visual Studio and paste it here. So only Bitpay can access. We'll implement. We are registering first in the service layer and go to the documentation. This code we need to copy. This is the middleware layer, and in the configure method you can specify here anywhere you can want, and scrolling down need to find out action filter. This is the action filter code, enable course, and the add policy name exactly matched. And need to specify below HTTP GET here. Let's import this one, and in this way we can secure our API. Only Bitpay can access now our API. That's it. This is our implementation.